Hello, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with the pronunciation of jobs in English. If you are new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words in English. Please give it a try. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Paramedic, paramedic, paramedic. Veterinarian, veterinarian, veterinarian. Or vet, vet, vet. Dog groomer, dog groomer, dog groomer. Barber, barber, barber. Hairstylist, hairstylist, hairstylist. Nail technician, nail technician, nail technician. Makeup artist, makeup artist, makeup artist. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.